Workplace health and wellness is more important now than ever before. Your clients are asking and needing support at the workplace. Health promotion at work is so important. We're seeing disconnection, isolation, stress, physical and mental health challenges. And the workplace is a perfect position to help people where they are. My name is Megan Jansen. I'm the owner of Employee Wellness Solutions Network, and we are your workplace wellness specialists. Our focus is designed to educate and engage as many leaders and employees as we possibly can. Being established in 2003, we've been working for years in this industry and space. We strive to educate leaders to continue the conversation of health promotion at work. We engage as many individuals as we can throughout our programs to start to shift behavior, help employees where they are, help support workplaces and culture. And we do that through a series of various programs, of which some I will be highlighting next. First is our Workplace Wellness Champion Series. It's offered monthly and talk about a popular program. It's a 4-part webinar series, and it's a phenomenal opportunity for employers, leaders, wellness champions, anybody who has an interest in this space to attend. The 4 parts really is a sequential, step-by-step opportunity to learn about health promotion at work. How do you benchmark? Where are we starting? Why wellness? Why now? How do you create a healthy culture? How do you shift a culture to become more of a healthy one? What strategies and implementation plans are the best to facilitate? And also, how do we evaluate wellness programs? We definitely have heard return on investment in this industry, but what about value on investment or value on caring? This Champion Series is completely free, and we're so thrilled to be working with so many leaders as we continue to educate and engage as many as we can. Next is our Workplace Wellness 90-Day Starter Kit. This is a collection or sample of wellness programs that really take a strategic, systematic approach to wellness at work. We educate leaders. We walk them through the process of best practices when it comes to health promotion. We offer assessment and benchmarking. We identify what are the main areas of focus a wellness program should take, and where do we go from after the 90-day? We offer our personal wellness assessment to employees. It's a 10-minute health questionnaire that identifies where we need to go with wellness in terms of population health. And the employees receive a full 90 days of mental wellness support through challenging change, self-awareness, resiliency, and how do we navigate through these most difficult times. Again, the 90-day starter kit is completely free and a great start for organizations who want to do something but just not sure where to start. Or it's a great offering for internally championed programs that have just run a bit stale. This provides a really great opportunity for leaders and employers alike to experience wellness in this way. For our paid memberships, in terms of our workplace wellness memberships, these memberships are offered to unlimited employees. And how they are designed is to be an organizational or employer cost where all program components are included for all employees. In other words, we're not based on per head per month. These are organizational costs in our pricing model. There are 4 levels of membership, starting as low as $145 a month, moving then to $295 a month, $395 a month, and then our custom plans that you can see under Elite Plus. We have various offerings in all levels of membership, from wellness resources, wellness newsletters, family wellness support, employee wellness support, and yes, leadership support. Our Pro 15 and Elite 30 memberships, we do offer 20% off for our virtual only membership, recognizing that the virtual reality is upon us. We wanted to ensure leaders were able to work with these specific price points to be as budget friendly as possible. Our memberships are flexible. You can start anywhere and evolve as you go. Wellness program components can be added on to base members. The opportunities are really endless. These provide structure, foundation, and an organized way of running wellness at work and workplaces. One of our most popular components of our memberships is our virtual health coaching. Yes, population health culture shift is so important. We're talking about workplace as an environment. When we drill down to individual support, this is where we start to work with organizations and employees who want to become healthier themselves. Our individualized programming is not a 1-800 number. We're really building relationships for employees. Employees get to choose who they'd like to work with. They get to meet the health coaches, learn about them, how they might be able to help the individual employees with their own personal health and wellness goal setting. It's as customized as picking a time that works for the individual employee, and the flexibility and accessibility of how they want to meet. Is it Zoom? Is it Teams? Is it Google Hangouts? Is it Skype? What is it? We want to work with individual employees as we start to help them shape healthier habits, healthier behaviors, and in the end of the day, engage as many individuals as we can. Our focus is simple. We're all about educating and engaging as many leaders and employees as we possibly can. We're excited to be positioned as your workplace wellness specialists. Thanks for listening, and until next time.